Welcome to our channel where we explore how to fix Varo money transaction errors quickly and reliably every time. Welcome to our channel where we explore how to fix Varo money transaction errors quickly and reliably every time. If you've ever experienced a problem sending or receiving money through Varo, you know how frustrating it can be. Fortunately, most issues can be resolved with a few clear steps. First, always start by checking your internet connection because a weak or unstable connection often causes transaction failures. Next, verify that your Varo app is updated to the latest version. Outdated software could lead to errors during transactions. After that, confirm that your account has sufficient funds to cover the transaction amount. If your balance is low, transactions will not go through. Then, review the recipient's information carefully, including the phone number or email associated with their Varo account. Mistyped details are a common source of errors. Once these basics are checked, try logging out of the app and then logging back in to refresh your session. This simple step can clear temporary glitches causing transaction problems. If the problem persists, clear the app cache from your device settings. This can help remove corrupted files affecting the app's functionality. Another important step is to check if Varo's servers are experiencing downtime or technical difficulties. You can do this by visiting Varo's official status page or social media announcements. If there is an outage, you may need to wait until the service is restored. If all else fails, reach out to Varo customer support directly through the app or website. Provide them with detailed information about the error message and steps you've taken so far. They can often provide tailored solutions or escalate complex issues for you. By following these steps methodically, checking your connectivity, updating the app, confirming account and recipient details, refreshing the session, clearing cache, monitoring service status, and contacting support, you maximize your chances of fixing Varo money transaction errors efficiently. Remember, each step helps isolate the cause so you can resolve it faster and get back to your financial activities without hassle. Don't let transaction errors disrupt your day. Take control with these practical fixes you can do yourself.